to die, so we need backups in case.
Wait for me, Luke. Okay, go down the hill. Stay on the path. Yeah, the entrance to the woods is right there. Here's Lori working on the fire. Oh, look at that fire, all those coals.
Sneak up attack. Woo. Are you gonna put the beautiful world? Beautiful. Beautiful world. We'll fly, sorry. That's my mom. That's my dad. That's my brother. That's me. We're going on a walk. This is a funny little camera. There's another campsite. You can see what the other campsites look like. Noisy.
Or when we get back to the campground,
That's the toilet right there.
How about you follow them with the camera? I'm going to take Lucas back to the thing.
Why can't I go? Oh, there's a person there with a dog.
This is going to get harder to navigate through.
I'm coming. This path leads us to the road. Well, not the road, but there's a road that you can go on to walk there. Hey, popcorn. Wave, bro.
Hey guys, it's Luke with him. Hi. Wow. It's Luke with you for the afternoon news, and we are out at Solitude Nature Reserves. One of my other hosts is Rosalind on her mother's lap and her bony butt.
I'm 10.